Hey everyone, you're neglecting your duties by watching this video about this lighthouse. Now this is down on South Street Seaport. I gotta get that little bulb up there. This is New York City's monument to those who died on the Titanic. Now, as you would imagine, it was sponsored by Unsinkable Molly Brown, or Margaret Brown, who pretty much arrived in New York City on the, oh boy, I forgot the name of the ship, but it doesn't really matter, I guess. Pretty much demanding that there be a memorial built to those who died as heroes on the Titanic. So allow me to editorialize for a minute there when I say died as heroes on the Titanic. At any rate, it is a nice thought. A lot of people did lose their lives on the Titanic. Now, this isn't actually the only memorial to those who died on Titanic, because there were a lot of New Yorkers, a lot of Americans on the Titanic, but this is actually the first one we're going to get to because it's certainly the most unique. Now, this was originally down on one of the slips. That's what the pieces of building that go out into the ocean or into the bay here, and down on South Street, which was right down over here. And this ball on top would light up and it would lower to the bottom of that pole at noon from the Naval Observatory in Washington. It would receive the information over a telegraph wire when it was noon, and it would go down and it would tell all the ships in the harbor from 1913 to 1967 that it was noon. And that, you know, that's unique. And so every day at noon for all of those years, that was the sign to, you know, remember those who had died on the Titanic. So it was moved here as part of the rehabilitation of South Street Seaport. For those of you who don't know, this is now a shopping area. There's museums. It's beautifully done. They have the Belgian brick, all sorts of things. And this rather unique lighthouse and unique memorial has been preserved, and it's made of concrete. And I don't think it ever had a keeper. It's not really a proper lighthouse. It is, in fact, a memorial with that unique ball. And we do have Molly Brown to thank for it, and we do have actually Exxon to thank for putting it here and preserving it. It's another one of those little unique and rather strange pieces of New York history right down here in Lower Manhattan. So thank you again for joining us here at 1 Minute Walking Tours, and we'll see you all soon. Stay safe.